Public Defender Arlene Harrison Henry has added her voice to a debate on a mining license issued for areas considered part of the Cockpit country. Speaking on RJR's call-in program Hotline with Emily Shields today, Mrs. Harrison Henry called for a review of what she described as the ill-conceived boundaries of a license granted to Noranda bauxite to mine in the Cockpit country. The Public Defender said her team, accompanied by a climate scientist and an environmental scientist, toured the area on Wednesday. She said that tour reinforced the view that mining in the area will do considerable damage to water resources and farming.
I believe that the boundaries of SML 173, however they were arrived at, are ill-conceived, and we need to stop, listen to each other, and come to a better understanding of how we utilize and protect and preserve resources that are critical to our survival in building climate resilience.
The Public Defender also blasted the government as she says no documentation has been provided to show that the benefits of bauxite mining in the area outweigh the costs.
Mining lease 173 will include the dislocation of several farmers, several homes, and a way of life and environment in a particular community. We have not seen, for instance, any cost-benefit analysis done as to what is the value of the yam production as compared to that which can be derived from bauxite. Importantly, what is the value of the water resources to this country as compared to bauxite?